Welcome to Lesson 2 on word problems. Here we're going to do a couple of word problems involving inequalities. So example 1. Debbie has some money in her bank account, but is unsure of how much. Now she recently received $25 for her birthday. And she wants to go on a trip, but needs at least $280.75 to go. We are asked to write and solve an inequality to determine how much Debbie needs to have in her account in order to go. Then we have to verify our solution. So I'll start by stating my variable. Here I'm going to let X be the amount of money in her account. So now the total amount of money she has, which is the money in her account plus the $25 she got for her birthday, that needs to be at least $280.75. So I'm going to say that this needs to be greater or equal to $280.75. Now to solve this inequality, I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides. So I get that X is greater or equal to 255.75. So now I'm going to write a statement and say that Debbie needs at least $255.75 in her account. So now to verify this, I'm going to pick a couple of values that are greater or equal to $255.75. So I'm going to say that X is 260. So I'll replace X with 260 on the left and get 285. And on the right, I got 280.75. Now, I'm not trying to see if they're equal. I'm trying to see if 285 is greater or equal to 280.75. And it is, so that means we verified that 260 is part of the solution. Now I'm going to pick another value. This time I'm going to let X be 500. So I'll replace X with 500 on the left and get a total of 525. And again, we have 280.75 on the right. Now 525 is greater or equal to 280.75. So we just verified another solution. Now example 2. Colin is allowed to have up to 175 minutes per week playing video games. Now the first 3 days of the week, he played for 15 minutes, then 42 minutes, and then 36 minutes. So how many more minutes can Colin play for the rest of the week? We have to express this situation as an inequality and then algebraically solve, and then verify our solution. So here I'm going to let X be the number of unused minutes. So how many minutes he has left to play for the rest of the week. So now the total number of minutes he hasn't used yet, plus the 15 minutes and the 42 minutes and the 36 minutes that he played for the first 3 days, that has to be less than 175. Now adding together 15, 42, and 36, I get 93. So now to solve for X, I'll subtract 93 from both sides. And get that X is less than 82. So this means that Colin has less than 82 minutes of playing time left. So now to verify this, I'll plug in a value that's less than 82. I'm going to use 20. So I'll plug in 20 on the left, and we have 175 on the right. And working at the left-hand side, I get 113. And 113 is less than 175. So 20 is part of the solution. I'll pick another value. This time I'll pick 40. So you can pick any value that is less than 82. But greater than 0 as well, since we're talking about time. So I'll replace x with 40. And I get 133. And 133 is also less than 175. So again, verify that 40 is part of the solution.